guys, in this video we're going to look at a quick tip on keeping them square inside my guard. So this works especially for MMA, it works in Jiu-Jitsu as well, but for MMA especially, I want to keep them flat on their back in front of me. I don't want them to allow to come out to an angle, so I'm just going to do a little drill. If Amy moves her hips out, I'm going to step my foot up. Yeah, I want to keep my hands in a good posture, and I drive her back down flat again. Yeah, if she takes her hips out this direction, foot up, and I'm bringing her down flat. So every time she comes out at an angle, I keep her flat with my hands still controlling, keeping her down. I don't want to allow her to sit up either, so I'm keeping her flat on our back. Hip out, drive her flat, hip out, drive her flat. So I'm keeping her flat in front of me. Takes away a lot of the attacks, makes it easy, in a better way of controlling her in her closed guard.